Hello. Today I will be pulling cards out of the Herbal deck, the Herbal Oracle deck. Happy 11/11, President's Day, I believe. Okay, so I've already shuffled the cards, but I will go through them one more time. And your choice is singing bowls today: the red singing bowl, the green singing bowl, or the black singing bowl. Okay? Again, I'm probably not going to go too much into detail on this. You're going to have to look up the herb and see what it does. Okay? So, first card is Ginkgo. It's breakthrough. Ginkgo. So, I haven't even heard of that since I was a kid. I remember being young, and there was a time where everybody went crazy over ginkgo. That is what I recall. Second card on the board is St. John's Worts. It's Radiance. St. John's Worts. Radiance. That's going to go under the green bowl. And the final card pulled today is it says Shara Sandra. It's Grace. I have never heard of this before. So please look it up. If you have chosen the red singing bowl, then you're going to need to look that up and see how it can benefit you. This is your herbal card pull for the day. Whatever herb you got, please look it up, do the research. If it's something that you want to take, if you feel ill, I am not a doctor. Please contact a doctor. This is just for fun and entertainment. And please let me know if this herb is life changing for you. That'd be nice to know. Okay, thanks. We'll see you soon.